Welcome to Homework Lib.
We have a histogram here showing how many times customers violate the 10 items or less rule. And we want to know the frequency, or the number of times the limit was exceeded by at most 6. Okay, so if I look at my histogram, how can I extract this information? So let me look at the first bar here. So the first bar is between 0.5 and 1.5. Now, this is a little bit silly because this is discrete data. Discrete data can only take a fixed set of values. In this case, number of times, I know it's going to be a whole number. It's going to be 0, they don't violate it at all, or 1, or 2, or 3, so on. So a histogram really isn't ideal here. They should really have used a bar chart, which is where the bars don't touch because there's a space between them. There's a space between 1 and 2, a space between 2 and 3. They haven't done that here. Instead, they've got this, and so really this just means 1. They violated rule once. So each of these is standing for a whole number. They've just displayed it in a very strange way. So the height of this bar, which is 7, is the frequency. So 7 times they had one item over 10. Now we're going to do that for everything up to 6, inclusive. So if we look at this, we have 7 times it went over by 1. The next bar has a height of 9. And for this, I'm just matching up to the y-axis. The next bar, representing 3, has a height of 12. So 12 times there were 3 more items than there should have been. Next bar is a height of 14. Next bar has a height of 10. And the last bar I'm interested in has a height of 8. The last bar is over 6, so it doesn't meet our criteria, so I'm just ignoring that one. I'm only interested in the ones of 6 or fewer. Now let me add these numbers up, and I get 60. There were 60 times that the limit was exceeded by at most 6 items.